Good morning, everyone. Happy 2026. This will be the first video of the season. Don't know how many more I'll make. It's been quite a bit since I last posted, but we'll give you the rundown of the garden this year. Had a little storm last week or the other night, so some stuff's fallen over, but this is the state of things for this year. We've got roughly 107-ish, maybe 110 tomato plants this year. Did some square foot gardening, spaced it 2 feet by 2 feet. The rows are probably about 3 though, so we can walk down them. Then we're going to do stringing this year again, where we're going to string up our tomatoes and run them along the lines at the top. Try not to step on anything. And then what else we got going on this year? We're going to do some bok choy this year. We're going to do some peppers, some curly kale. Going to do bush beans this year instead of pole beans. And then we've got 12 zucchini plants that as soon as we run through these, those will probably last till mid to late July, and then we'll put a second crop in and pull from those as well. Something newer that we're doing this year as well is corn. I'm going to try some corn here. Just did a little bit. Chances are that the squirrels and the deer will get the rest of, pretty much all of it, but whatever. Cucumbers, we've got to remember this year to pull all these cucumbers as quickly as possible so they stay growing. One thing you got to know about cucumbers, if you don't pick them, the second they turn yellow, that plant's going to start to die. So if you do cucumbers and you love them and you're going to make pickles, pull them when they're small, make sure they don't turn yellow, and get them off that vine so the next batch can start growing. Same thing over here, got some English cucumbers that are growing up over here. And some tomato cages that we got. I built a couple years back. They're still holding up pretty good. And I've got some spare stuff here. Left some tomatoes for when I did my original planting 2-3 weeks ago, just to fill in. They don't all make it, soil shock or something breaks, so we go in and we replace some of them. You can see these two are ones that are smaller over here we ended up replacing because they just didn't make it. There's a couple other here, but look how healthy they are. I think next step, we'll start trimming them up. The goal is for the tomato plants is to keep them about 9 to 10 inches bare at the bottom. That helps from any soil splashing, contaminated soil splashing up when we water them. Also keeps critters off of them, bugs and such, but they'll be a lot healthier. And then we also, because we're doing the trellis or the string method, we will be picking off just about every single sucker off these tomatoes so that they can vine up and get about 8 to 9 feet tall. But that's it for right now. We'll check back with you later.